Hey guys, what is up? And today I'm wearing this Falcons mask. My neighbor gave it to me. But right now, I'm so proud of my brother right now because a few hours ago, he got a brand new car. Well, it's not brand new, but it's still in very good shape. As you can see, I'm showing you guys, but that piece he's gonna get fixed. So I don't really want to close the door because he doesn't want me. But, so, got the dash right here. It's usually supposed to be right here. And we got the back. I'll show you guys. It's very, very low, guys. Cup holder right here. The glove compartment's very small, but I'll show you the trunk. All you do, pull this, and you guys can hear that, right? Boom. This is so spacious. You can, and if somebody's stuck in here, I don't know why somebody would be stuck in there, but that's all for today, guys. Bye, guys. Peace. Woo!